Be Cleveland and Sycamore. Ohio Temporary Queen 828997.
Traffic stop. Traffic stop. Report number returned.
I can get another
Cleveland / Sycamore. Report number returned. Available. On scene. Traffic stop. Cleveland RD / Sycamore line Sandusky.
222 East.
Just took off from me eastbound on Cleveland. Reason for the stop is weaving, I believe he's .19. Speeds are excess of 80 miles an hour. Clear traffic. Let's cross over Cedar Point down, continuing eastbound, no traffic.
Description of the car, 2200 feet over by here on it.
It's going to be a white Ford sedan returning south on Remington. He just crashed Remington and Cleveland.
Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand!
Sandusky Police Department is on a pursuit with a white sedan heading east up in Cleveland. 232, I'll be on it. You just hit my cruiser.
He's continuing south on Remington. He just struck my cruiser. There's a car rolled over here, 2101.
32, I'm out. .222, I'm with the car that was struck. The other one's slowly continuing down Cleveland. Start me a squad.
The suspect vehicle still moving?
Slowly, 232 is behind it.
There's a train coming on to Remington. You're not going to be able to get through.
I got him down. Where are you at?
2101 Remington.
Where are you at?
He's in custody. We got him here in the 2200 block of Remington.